Why do 90% of Minecraft players stick to vanilla? Because mods sound complicated. But what if you could make Jurassic Park? No mods required. First up, let's talk basics. Vanilla Minecraft, that's the regular, unmodified game, only has 3 official dimensions: the overworld, the nether, and the end. But if you want epic dinos, you'll need mods like Jurassic World Reborn or Fossils and Archaeology Revival. These mods add new creatures, blocks, and sometimes even entire dino-filled worlds. Just install Minecraft Forge, drop in your chosen mod, and follow the mod guide for your own dinosaur dimension. No mods? No problem. Build a massive Jurassic Park-style portal using obsidian, jungle leaves, mossy stone, and glowing lights. On the other side, craft an epic dino enclosure. Fill it with turtles, cows, and maybe even a few Ravagers for that T-Rex vibe. Get creative with command blocks or resource packs to make it even cooler. Ready to build your own Jurassic adventure? Drop your wildest dino portals in the comments below, and let's see who can go the most prehistoric.